Welcome back to my channel, my glamorous viewers. Today I'm making this video for you guys with green glitter, with green eyeshadow, and you can call it copper or brick color eyeshadow. And I have shown in my video what are the palettes I used, and the lipstick from Dose of Color, I showed that also. So this is a very I think it's a night look. I don't think so we should wear this extraordinary look for daytime. Anyway, without further ado, let's start glamming up. Okay, I'm gonna apply. Today I did the off camera, my foundation routine, my eyebrow routine, everything. So I'm just putting the soft ochre with the synthetic brush. Any brush will do, but I usually like to apply my concealer with the synthetic brush and blend it with your finger. Never be scared of using your finger. That's the best tool you have in your life. So, and I have mentioned from my last few videos that I take the edge of my brush and try to make it smooth, and then do my lower line also. So that, why we put concealer? We put concealer so that our eyeshadow adheres properly, and the surface of the place we are going to play with the eyeshadow, like this part, has the even color. There is many reasons behind the concealer. So few reasons I just explained. So exactly this is the way I think it helps for me not to fall out and adhere my shadow properly. From this Juvia's palettes, I'm gonna use this copper color on my inner corner, and this one I'm gonna use underneath my eyebrow. And for my outer corner, I will be using a little hint of black and this one. Okay guys, so first thing first, the inner corner. We'll be using, as usual, Morphe M421 brush, this one. And these are very pigmented colors, so you better go slow using this palette and borrowing this color from the palette for my transition color, last row on your left. Okay, they have the name, but I don't have my glasses, so I can't read, so excuse me for that. And using a very fluffy brush to create my transition color. When you are doing the transition color, make sure you take your sweet time, blend, 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 blend. There is no end of blending, so don't rush and don't just do lots of color on your brush and put it. If you don't like the transition color, then again you have to wipe off and put the soft ochre and restart again. So when you're doing the transition color, make sure that you go very slow and kind of watching what is the color coming on your eyes, you like it or not. The other day I was watching Mario, one of the very famous makeup artists. He said that when you do the highlight underneath your eyebrows, don't do it all the way from here to here. And I was listening his lecture. It really makes sense, because why we want to highlight that part? Because this is the peak area, we wanted to show off our arch here. But if we are blending this color here and here, what will happen? I mean, I used to do it, but after, as I always mention, that life is the endless process of learning. Every day you learn something new. And I thought over that it's just that he's saying, or does it make any sense? It does make sense, because you just want to highlight this part, not this part, not this part. So from that day I'm following it. So beside me, I'm sure you guys watching me because you guys love me, but beside me, who else you're watching? Why you guys don't tell me? Whom should I watch? What should I do? I want to learn. So let me know what you guys are doing, whom you are watching, who is your favorite YouTuber. So I'm going again with my transition color because kind of not happy. This is happens. So if you have too many palettes, so look at me, how many palettes I'm working with. You always get confused. It's better to have less palette. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. Guys, for my inner corner, I'm taking, as I showed from this palette, this color. From this palette, for my outer corner, I'm taking this bottle green color, using the M167 from Morphe. It's a very fluffy brush, and I'm kind of, because I have my transition color underneath and I have my soft ochre, so I'm just kind of dabbing instead of dragging it. If I want to look for a very frosty look, then I will be holding my eyelid and I'm kind of drag like this. See how nice it comes, but at this point I'm not looking for very frosty look. I wanted a matte look. For my inner corner, I'm taking this color just on the tear duct. Now we are gonna put some glitter here to bling bling, and eyeliner and kajal and mascara. So as far as the glitter, I am going to use the NYX glitter glue, this one. So we're gonna put this glitter on top of my palm, and then I am gonna blend it like that, just in the middle, dab it. Remember, wherever you have the glue, the glitter will be there. So make sure that you don't have glue where you don't want the glitter. This is a e.l.f. brush. I love this brush. It's only $2, but it's amazing. I'm gonna clean up the line because I have a very puffy eyes. I don't want to go, like when I close the eyes, I don't want to look at like here in that line. So kind of cleaning that. When I open like this, I don't see that line because I have folded eye. So you know, from all this type of client you get. So if you have a client like this eye, so you always remember, tell her to look like this instead of look like this, so that you don't see the. So to minimize that, it happens when you are working, so I have to put the transition color so that you guys don't see the glitter here. Now for the outline, I'm gonna use Urban Decay, this golden glitter, just a line so that it separates from my, but until it dries I cannot look up. I think it's dried a little bit, so I'm gonna do the eyeliner. This is my favorite, you guys know, from Wet n Wild. Guys, as I said, this eye makeup I have done with my eyebrows and foundation off camera, but I am going to contour for you guys as usual. Hoola bronzer and my Morphe brush. I'm going to just try to make my face look slimmer if it is possible, but I'm going to do my Calabella as soon as possible. Then my face will be like this, hopefully. That's what they say. It's only $3,000 I'm saving, and I'm using Orgasm from NARS, and using the MAC brush. What is that brush? 116. Just a little bit, not much, because I have to highlight. And for my inner eyeliner, I'm using Inglot gel eyeliner with the eyeliner brush, of course. This eyeliner is so intense, guys. When it gets little hard, it's not easy to apply. So try to, whenever you're using, take a little bit of product in your hand, play from there. Instead of keeping it open, the air can make it harder. When it's hard, it's no fun. Now the fun part, which is highlighting your chin bone. Using this brush from MAC 140 SCS. Who's gonna remember that long name? Number, I mean, not name. And definitely Laura Mercier today again. Little bit of my focal point on top of my nose, but this part I like to use my finger, and on my cupid bow. Now the lip. I'm gonna use the lip pencil today from NYX, and it's called Coca, whatever. By the time my lipstick is gonna be applied, I'm gonna slay my face with slay spray. Okay, I'm gonna use the lipstick from Dose of Color. It's called Sunshine Kiss. So now I have put my lipstick, so it concludes my makeup. I'm sure you guys gonna enjoy watching this video. So this is the look for every age, everybody, and it's a green and copper combination. So I'm gonna close my eyes so that you can watch properly. Thank you for watching the video. I'm sure you guys loved it. I really loved making this look for you guys. It's a little different and out of my comfort zone, but I really loved it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and please share this with your friends and family. And I will see you guys for my next video. Until that time, be glamorous and love yourself and love each other. I love you all, and thank you for your support again.